The Avery 40 to 80 gas kerosene prairie tractor, built between 1913 and 1920, was a massive 11-ton machine designed for breaking tough Midwestern sod. Powered by a 4-cylinder kerosene engine, it was originally rated at 40 drawbar and 80 belt horsepower, later re-rated to 45 to 65. With 2 forward gears and the ability to pull 8 to 10 pounds, it featured a sliding frame gear system and open power. Initially using a vertical radiator, later models adopted an automotive-style design. Priced at $2,800, it symbolized the power and innovation of early prairie farming. Coolspring Power Museum in Pennsylvania houses one of the largest collections of antique stationary engines in the U.S., offering a rich, hands-on look at the history of internal combustion technology. Among its highlights is the 1925 Otto gas engine, believed to be the largest operational single-cylinder dual flywheel engine in the world, producing 175 horsepower and one of only 5 ever built. Weighing 49,000 pounds, this industrial giant features massive flywheels, a magneto-ignition system, and throttle-governing advanced technology for its time, ensuring smooth, reliable operation. Thanks to expert restoration, the engine still runs during special events, offering visitors a dramatic and unforgettable display of early mechanical power. The museum also features over 300 stationary engines from the 1890s to 1940s, representing a wide range of designs and milestones in combustion engine development. Visitors can explore engine houses that replicate or preserve historic structures, with many engines still capable of performing their original tasks like pumping water or powering machinery. The museum hosts engine shows where collectors and enthusiasts from across the country gather to showcase working engines and celebrate engineering heritage. More than just a collection of machines, the museum honors the legacy of mechanical innovation, with the Otto engine serving as a powerful symbol of industrial progress. The 600 horsepower snow gas engine at Coolspring Power Museum, built in 1917 and restored over 20 years, is one of the world's largest preserved gas engines. Measuring 75 feet long with an 18-ton flywheel, it was relocated from Worthington Station and now operates in the custom-built Exley Station. Dedicated in 2013, it stands as a powerful symbol of early natural gas pumping technology and industrial heritage. The Worthington diesel power plant in Greene County, Indiana, operated by Energy, is a 20-acre facility with 4 natural gas turbines and a backup diesel engine added in 2004. Designed for rapid response during peak electricity demand and outages, it connects to the regional grid via 138 kilovolt lines, supporting energy reliability and grid stability in the region. Fairbanks Morse Z is a 4-cylinder, 2-stroke opposed piston diesel known for its efficient design, with 2 pistons per cylinder and no silver heads. Rated at 150 horsepower per cylinder and 720 revolutions per minute, it was commonly used in submarines, power plants, and marine vessels. This model likely powered smaller generators or auxiliary systems, such as those at Coolspring Power Museum. Observations suggest only 2 cylinders for their operation. The Fairbanks Morse Z HP diesel engine is a robust and reliable engine designed for heavy-duty applications. Commonly used in marine propulsion and stationary power generation, it delivers consistent performance and efficiency. Built to withstand tough operating conditions, this engine is trusted in both industrial and commercial environments for its durability and dependability.
Here's what it sounds like at idle.
The Kawasaki FH series engines are small, reliable engines commonly used in lawn and garden equipment. They feature single-barrel carburetors in some
So if you have
models,
a Kawasaki
which regulate
FH
the
series
fuel-air mixture
engine,
for the engine's
I
combustion.
believe FH
These engines are
580B.
known for their durability and efficiency, but like any engine, they can experience issues such as rough idling that may require simple adjustments to maintain smooth performance.
What you're going to want to listen for is it to sound smooth on both cylinders. So I think I went a little bit too far. Yeah, too far. So right there, and you should be able to rev it up without a problem. Alright. So that's a simple fix for a loping Kawasaki FH series engine. Hopefully this video helps you guys out, and that's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one.
The Lister CS5/1 engine generator, developed in 1929 by Lister Petter, is a durable single-cylinder, water-cooled diesel engine producing 5 horsepower at 600 RPM. Known for its slow-speed, indirect injection design, it offers reliable, low-maintenance power ideal for agricultural, industrial, and off-grid use. Cooling is typically passive with a water tank and fan, and some models feature electric start. Often paired with generator heads like the Crossley LLT 5.5/1, it supports single or three-phase power generation, making it a trusted choice for steady, long-lasting electricity production. The Fairbanks Morse 6-horsepower exposed crank Z engine is a durable and fuel-efficient hit-and-miss engine from the early 20th century, designed for rural use powering farm equipment and pumps. Notable for its visible crankshaft and cast-iron construction, it features hand crank starting and a magneto ignition system, with later models using spark plugs. Celebrated for its reliability and simplicity, it remains a prized piece among collectors, reflecting the mechanical innovation that once powered rural America. The V12 Clark turbo diesel engine, nicknamed Daddy Rat, underwent its first full-load running test at Jerry Martin's diesel shop in Pennsylvania after 10 years, including government adjustments. Despite testing limitations like low tire pressure and transmission constraints, the engine produced an impressive 842 rear-wheel horsepower and 1,950 feet-potent torque at 2,500 RPM, equating to over 1,000 horsepower in the flywheel, far surpassing the original engine's rating. Although peak RPM was limited to avoid transmission issues, future tuning is expected to boost power even more, highlighting the engine's remarkable potential.